Hello, my name is Gabriel Bressanelli, and I'm presenting my Capstone project. First of all, I'd like to thank Professor Wu Jing for allowing me to change the scope of my project in the middle of the semester. Through my internship and some relatives, I had the opportunity to work in something much more meaningful and valuable, in my opinion. And him allowing me to work with this project I'm about to showcase actually gave me so much experience in a scope of real life project where I needed to ship stuff. I needed to use a Scrum methodology because I wasn't only developing this project just for myself, just for my sake. I also had other people involved wanting to use the software and the systems I was putting into work. So having that in mind, this capstone project was a big experience for me. So I much want to thank him for allowing me to do that in such a short notice. It helped me a lot, and I'm pretty sure that that made a difference for my future career in software development. To start with, I wanna start showcasing the the software itself. I'll talk a little bit about the technologies and all the systems and libraries I've used, all the programming languages, frameworks, and everything in a second. Basically, what I developed is a menu order item system where users can pick amount, add to cart, cart gets uploaded without refreshing the page through JavaScript. Um, Through this system, we have not just a card, we have a payment method and also a menu order, which controls the whole database for the menu. Postgres is the database. I've been using this database already online. I have two domains, both voice carryout and a domain I created where we can have a better understanding of the whole card, different type of use cases, and a much more professional domain on the other hand. This is the developer side where everything's working as expected. Once we get past this checkout phase, we go to order summary where we see the amount on the car. We can update the car here and update amounts here where update the amount gets updated there. After getting all the data necessary for the shipment. Um, on this form right here, we proceed to payment. Payments are being dealing with PayPal at the moment. I have two Sandbox accounts set up where I'll proceed with the payment to showcase that everything is working as expected. We have the same amount right there. Once we log in with PayPal to pay. It's the completely fake account, not a fake account, but a sandbox account if it's a store. Complete the purchase, return to the merchant, and the whole process of ordering is already done. The car gets emptied, and I've tested with multiple users, putting multiple orders at the same time, given the fact that Django is such a light work fra lightweight framework. I haven't faced any problems with a lot of requests. At the same time, PayPal gives it back notifications. The database from the orders is linked through PayPal with the same invoice number as we see the last order that was posted here. Right now, we go to orders, which is our local database on Postgres. The same invoice is there. the fact that it's paid and ready to ship. And from there, managers will be able to check all the orders through Django, but not also just Django. PayPal sends an email where you can see the details of the order with all the items that were in the cart, the amount that was paid, and where it gotta be shipped to. So the connection between both is working hopefully perfect. Uh, I put a lot of effort, not just developing the whole uh, front end as of the back end, even though I had a lot of knowledge in both languages. I was working both the language and the framework I was working with. It took me some time to realize how would I make JavaScript to update things without refreshing the page and making things disappear from the core. That was all through JavaScript. I spent a lot of hours in this documentation looking through loops and functions and expressions and a lot of stuff that I wasn't familiar with that helped me a lot and putting it all together in a way that users can actually use this website, interact with. Uh, I have my whole repository on GitHub. This will be in my paper in the beginning of my paper. Right here, we can see in the abstract that we have the GitHub. We'll have also the video on YouTube, the video presentation I'm recording right now. And this whole project came to be as groundwork for a future voice AI agent where medium and small size business will be able to place carry out orders through their phone and owning all the data. I believe that at the moment, big players like Uber and Grubhub, DoorDash control the whole information, which is a lot valuable for restaurants and giving business owners this power, empower them to make decisions on what's to sell and to cut costs and people working, automating small pain points can have a big impact, especially a monetary impact and also a time impact in business owners' lives. And given all of that, that's the main reason I believe this project was much more meaningful than anything else I was thinking. I see a lot to the future of this project. I don't see me just presenting this project now and never touching this again. This gave me a spark of following different type of platforms, following different programming languages, realizing how much I don't know and how much I need to learn. But also gave me a spark on seeing that I can actually build something that can actually work in the real world at the moment. When building projects throughout my whole 4 years of undergrad, I always see nice stuff that I could build, but never see stuff that people could actually use. This is one of the first times that I'm allowing other people to interact with the software that I build. So once more, I thank not just the professor, but the faculty in the school on having the opportunity to showcase what I've learned the past 4 years. Thank you so much, and I hope you enjoy watching. Have a great week. Thank you.